apply for a job or update your EasyJobs candidate profile, but are currently stuck in company mode? Here's how to seamlessly switch from your company profile to your candidate profile in EasyJobs. First, log into the EasyJobs account with your credentials. If it takes you to your already created company profile, then don't worry. From there, in the EasyJobs company profile dashboard, click on the drop-down icon in the top right corner and select My Account. Here you will find the Switch to Candidate button. Click on it to switch from the company profile to the candidate profile. And just like that, you're now on the EasyJobs candidate profile dashboard, ready to explore jobs and start applying. Similarly, you can return to the company profile anytime you want. That's it. This is how easy you can switch between the company profile and the candidate profile in EasyJobs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more EasyJobs tips.